what are the things that I can do during the evenings to make more money? So is it selling packed lunches? I did that. Nagbenta ako ng bibili ako ng mga chicken nuggets sa Bell Cap.
Oh,
Tapos pinapaprito ko, tapos ginagawa namin packed lunches that I would sell to the office. It was really the digital assets. Kasi di ba nagtayo ako ng multiple websites.
Okay.
Yung unbox.ph is doing well. I sold the website before, pinoyfoodcritic.com.
Okay.
Tapos ay sold newmedia.com.ph. So nagtayo ako ng ahensya. When we started making significant, as in talagang tens of millions of pesos annually in revenue, if there was a buyer, binenta na namin. Nag-exit na ako.
Guys, this is something very, 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 very special. Carlo Ople will reveal his secrets on paano siya yumaman. Baka siya sobrang yaman, guys. Ito na, Carlos Money Secrets revealed.
Hi guys, I'm Carlo Ople. I'm with Marvin Guillermo. He's one of the most trusted experts when it comes to finance, the stock market. But apart from being an expert, he also explains it in a way na maiintindihan ninyo. So if you haven't subscribed to his videos yet, make sure that you subscribe. Because apart from learning from him, the stuff that you can pick up, actually, pwede kayo yumaman.
Whoa, thank you so much. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Okay.
Okay, go, Carlo. Okay.
Oh.
Ano kayo maman? Yun talaga gusto ko malaman eh.
Ano kayo maman?
Yun ang gusto malaman ng mga
Anong
tao.
klaseng tanong yun?
Sobrang yaman mo. Hindi alam
Hindi ako
ng tao
mayaman,
paano
huy.
mayaman. Sobrang.
Sakto lang.
Talaga?
Sakto lang.
Okay. What's your money secret? When money comes your way, anong una mo ginagawa?
Actually, paano ko ba explain to? A lot of emphasis kasi is put on saving.
Okay.
And a lot of emphasis is put on investments, lalo na here in the Philippines, you set aside like a certain percentage, and then ganon. Ako kasi, I'm much more higher risk and entrepreneurial. I'm not sure if lahat kayo makaka-relate sa sabihin ko. So ako, ang style ko is, the moment I get money, I just have like a bare bones minimum na parang emergency fund that I keep. Pero everything beyond that, super aggressive ako sa pera. So kunyari, ang una kong goal was 6 months. Yung sa Dave Ramsey concept. So 6 months of your money na savings as your shield.
Okay.
Tapos nung na-achieve ko na yung 6 months, sabi ko, baka pwede 1 year. So pinataas ko siya, 1 year.
Okay.
Tapos nung medyo lumuluwag ulit, pagkatapos nung ginawa ko siya 2 years.
Okay.
So may 2 years ako ngayon na parang fun.
Okay. That's in cash in the bank.
In the
Cold
bank.
cash.
Cold
Okay.
cash. Not in
Okay.
stocks, not in anywhere. Kasi nandun lang.
Wala kang tinatago sa kondo? Baka
Wala.
pwede malaman
May
sana.
konti lang.
Talaga, anong,
Konti lang.
baka pwede malaman ko na
10,000 lang.
10,000. Okay.
For emergency.
Okay, so 2 years in the bank, cold cash of what you spend and what you earn.
Of what? No, it's the monthly spend.
Okay.
So whatever my monthly spend is, 2 years worth.
So when you say monthly spend, those are needs na lang or needs and wants na?
Needs and wants already. So kunyari, pa-date ng misis, ano yung amount na yun, kasama na dun yung travel for the year. So I have 2 years worth of that.
Okay, tapos after that, eto gusto mo naman ng tao, saan mo nalagay yung kabad mo na after?
Yun yung secret.
Okay,
Getting to
okay.
6 months enough is hard.
Okay.
So how are you able to raise, sabihin natin, that much? So ako, super fan ako ng active income.
Okay.
Diba lahat ng tao gusto passive lahat.
Income, yeah.
Pero ako kasi, as many active sources of income at the start, so that eventually, you have the money to go to passive.
Okay.
Wala naman kasi ako minanang pera eh. Wala naman ako minanang property. Wala naman ako minanang kotse.
Okay.
Minana ko pangalan ng lolo ko, which is nice.
Okay.
Diba? Ople. Pero wala naman point kasi hindi naman ako naging politiko. So technically, I started talaga from scratch.
Okay.
Diba? So with that in mind, talagang when I started working, yun talaga yung like ko iniisip. What are the things that I can do during the evenings to make more money? So is it selling packed lunches? I did that. Nagbenta ako ng bibili ako ng mga chicken nuggets sa Bell Cap.
Oh,
Tapos pinapaprito ko, tapos ginagawa namin packed lunches that I would sell to the office.
Okay. When was this?
2006,
Okay.
2007.
Pero why did you do it? You needed the extra money or?
Hindi, nawala yung hiya sa
Okay.
idea of selling to everybody.
Okay.
Kasi I realized that the goal was to build the 6 months buffer.
Okay.
So nung na-realize ko kailangan ko ng 6 months buffer, kahit anong kailangan gawin to get there, ginawa ko talaga. Lead selling yun, nag-try pa nga ako mag-multi-level marketing.
Talaga? Pero how did that? I'm curious. Yung sa binenta mo pagkain, how did that start? Bakit ito yung pagkain na binenta mo? Bakit sa office
Ay,
mo
mahilig-
binenta?
kasi mahilig
Tapos
ako
paano
sa
mo
chicken
tinubuan?
nuggets.
Okay.
So paborito ko kasi yung chicken nuggets ng Bell Cap.
Okay.
So sabi ko, kung if I can profess my love for it, then people will be more convinced. So I won't sell anything na hindi ako believer of.
Okay. Tapos how long did you do it? Did you, after a year, you stopped?
Siguro mga 1 year.
Okay.
Pagkatapos nun, na-realize ko baba nung kita.
Okay.
Kasi parang unless
The effort was
unless
worth it.
mag-catering ako to get to bigger businesses.
Okay.
Kasi nung pinag-aralan ko na yung business model ng catering tsaka commissary, masyado siyang parang nakakapagod.
Okay.
Tapos ang na-realize ko where I wanted to go talaga was digital. So as early as mga 2007, 2008, that's where I started writing, creating blogs, experimenting with Google AdSense, learning how SEO works, how SEM works, so that I can do consulting on the side.
Pero so you were doing vlogging more than the other things. How no brick and mortar businesses, yung mostly
And then,
digital.
nung na-realize kong digital was the way to go because of the low, what do you call this, overhead, tsaka capital.
Okay.
Yun na talaga yung pinasok.
So, at ito ba, you said multi-level marketing. Ano yung pinasok mo? Anong klase?
Back then, parang power homes ba yun?
Okay, so nagpa-power ka din.
Nagsara na yun eh.
Talaga?
Oo. Tapos nag-Herbalife ako for a while.
Okay.
Okay din, pero nagsara din sila. Ay, hindi pala sila sara, okay pala sila. No? Patay tayo dyan. Magagalit natin
Talaga, so,
nanonood sa
ito gusto ko sabihin. Paano ka nag-pitch ng mga tao? Pakita mo sa kanila. How did you pitch
Hindi,
Herbalife?
at that time kasi I was I used to weigh like 430 pounds.
Okay.
So I'm now, I went all the way down to 300. Tumaas ulit ako ngayon, nasa 330 ako eh.
Okay.
So nung pumayat ako sobra, doon ko siya binenta. Sabi ko, ito yung nagpapayat sa akin guys.
Okay.
So dami nilang binili.
How long did it take for you to, how long did you do that naman?
Siguro mga 6 months.
Okay. Why did you stop?
Kasi na-realize ko na it's forever selling one at a time. Hindi ko siya kaya i-scale.
Hindi ba siya naging, kala ko the longer you do it, it becomes passive because you have a lot of people under.
Oo, pero I'm a good salesman, I'm not a good recruiter.
Okay.
So ayoko kasi parang naano ko na na-realize ko na kinyari subukan ko recruit ang isang tao. Alam ko hindi naman siya magaling magbenta.
Okay.
Bakit ko pipilit sa kanya? Alam ko malulugi lang siya. So pag ganun, hindi ko talaga makuwang gawin yung that side of the business. I
Okay.
could sell it,
Okay.
but I couldn't recruit.
So ano nagpayaman sa'yo after all of this? After doing so many businesses, what do you think is your parang boom after this? Ito na yun.
It was really the digital assets. Kasi
Okay.
di ba nagtayo ako ng multiple websites.
Okay.
Yung unbox.ph is doing well. I sold the website before, pinoyfoodcritic.com.
Okay.
Tapos I sold newmedia.com.ph.
How do people value that? No? How do you place
Revenue.
it, on the ads that it on the ads that it generates? Okay, tapos after selling it, what do you do? What did you do? You invested the money, bought something else, did something,
Ano nga ang pinagagawa ko noon? Well, I invested heavily in mga policies on, kasi wala pa ako masyadong alam noon on stock market. Ayun, so nag-invest na lang ako sa mga policies of different companies. Pagkatapos noon, talagang saving, tas flipping, saving, tas flip. Mahilig ako mag-buy and sell.
Okay.
Mag-buy and
Kotse?
sell ako dati ng magic cards.
Okay.
Tas virtual items sa Ragnarok. Alam mo ba?
I never played, pero I know parang people sell that for expensive, yung mga rare items. Okay.
Tapos pagkatapos noon, eventually, I put up a business. Ako, makikita nyo talaga story ko, it's heavily active eh.
So you're parang more entrepreneurial talaga. You like starting it more than parang managing it and operating it.
Kanyari, I put up a digital agency. I ran it for 4 years. Tapos we sold it to the biggest agency in Asia, Dentsu.
Okay. What's the agency?
Digit pangalan niya, DM9 Digit.
Okay.
So nagtayo ako ng ahensya when we started making significant, as in talagang tens of millions of pesos annually in revenue. There was a buyer, binenta na namin. Nag-exit na ako.
Tapos again, after exiting, selling, what happened after? Invested again the money or sa bangko na lang siya, kasi bira tayo makita ng sobrang yaman na YouTuber eh. So ikaw daw
Ano nga ba ginawa ko? Alam mo hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa masyado nagagalaw yung pera na yun.
Grabe yun. Guys, bira to. Hindi nagagalaw. So, grabe ka.
Hindi kasi, ang style ko kasi is instead of putting it in long-term investments that take forever to make the gains that I want,
Okay.
isusugal ko siya sa negosyo. Yun yung style ko eh.
Okay, ngayon, sabi mo susugal mo, ano yung biggest mistake mo naman in business? Plus, ano yung biggest loss that you ever got naman? It could not be your biggest mistake, pero malaki rin yung loss mo dun sa negosyo na yun.
Well, the biggest investment that I've ever made, actually, the biggest mistake first was when I put up a business right out of college.
Okay.
So I got together with a few friends. We put up an internet cafe. I was so naive and young. I didn't have an idea how to run a business. So long story short, I mismanaged it. Maraming relationships nasira on that point. Tapos
Okay.
eventually, nagsara na lang siya.
Pero did you go into debt because of that? Di naman.
Minor, medyo. Pero yun nga I've never been kasi a fan of credit cards. So, kinyari, wala akong credit card.
Okay.
Hanggang ngayon.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ano na lang? Pay Maya na lang.
Hindi, talaga.
Talaga?
Wala akong credit card.
Okay.
So, take my wallet.
Okay.
Zero.
So everything's cash?
Cash or debit.
Okay.
Kasi sobrang, siguro sa family din. Nakita ko kasi how, kinyari yung parents ko when they had problems with debt.
Okay.
So sobrang tumatak sa akin yun, ayoko magkautang.
Okay.
So very anti-debt ako. And since ganun yung mindset ko, kunyari, when I bought my first car, I bought it in cash.
Whoa.
So wala akong debt sa kotse na yun. Tapos every time I would buy a car, I would always buy it in cash.
So, dala-dala mo yung ano. Guys,
Manager's check naman. And then,
alam ito na yung bag, oh. Pakibilang na lang. Walang ganun.
Manager's check naman.
Okay. Okay, so largest amount. Loss. You remember pa?
Siguro mga 3M in an investment. 3M.
What invest mo?
Ayoko na lang sabihin.
Talaga?
Pero legal siya, hindi siya illegal.
Okay.
Pero it was a 3M investment na nalugi. Marami mga maliliit din yung kunyari, yung mga kaibigan mo gusto magtayo ng ganito,
Okay.
lagay ka ng ganyan. Yung kaibigan mo gusto magtayo ng ganito, lagay ka ng ganyan.
Okay. Sige, kahit di mo banggitin, ano yung naging tingin mo, naging cause of the failure?
Hindi ko rin research yung magpapatakbo ng negosyo.
So parang ano siya, startup.
Parang na-excite ako sa business model, na-excite ako sa potential, pero hindi ko rin research at kinilala yung founders. So if I were to do more investments in the future, yun yung lesson na natutunan ko doon. At the end of the day, you're investing in the team and the founder more than anything than the idea.
Okay, great words. Tama. I've been what I do right now, I'm checking a lot of startups also, and yun din it's about the people who run it, kasi lagay ka pera, gawin nilang bonus sa sarili nila yun, or ano, wala ka nang
Hindi mo
habol
na
dun
alam ano gagawin nila eh. Tsaka, that's even amplified now with the stories of WeWork, di ba, Uber, and a bunch
Mismanaged
of other
it, yeah.
companies. So, yun talaga yung ano ko ngayon, guiding principle ko. Who's the team, who's the founder, what's their history, what's their performance, mga ganun.
Okay, to end this video, ano yung pangarap mo? Do you have a target? I want to get this much money, then I've considered I'm done, I'm good,
So,
I'm
kung maging
okay.
billionaire.
Talaga, in peso, in dollars?
Dollars.
Dollars. Oh.
1 billion.
Okay, lagyan natin ito na target. What age?
Siguro by 60, pwede na
60?
siguro yun, no?
Okay, naman. You'll probably do it even faster pa with your skill set and acumen and runway and the way you leverage.
Pero gusto ko siya
Oh,
para eventually to either put up like a foundation or to just give it back.
okay.
So parang it's the journey more than it is the... Gets mo yung point?
Yeah.
So I just wanna get it.
Okay.
Tapos when I get it, either I donate it, you put it into a cause, kinyari cancer research or diabetes research.
Yeah.
Pero yun lang yung gusto kong gawin. Kasi parang in the sunset years of my life, I just wanna spend it helping. So kunyari when I'm 60 onwards, either, I don't know, siguro mga like schools on teaching people how to do digital, or like digital literacy programs outside of Metro Manila.
Okay.
Mga ganon.
Galing.
So, yun yung gusto kong gawin until the day I die.
Wow. Galing. So, I guess that's it. We had a few minutes on how Carlo made his money, lost his money. I hope that this is something that encouraged you also, that if he made mistakes, pero sobrang yaman pa rin niya, kaya niyo din yun. Okay ba yun?
Hindi ako mayaman na, sakto lang.
And humble pa. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade smart, trade smart. See you all again soon. Bye-bye.
Boom.